I think it would be kind of cool to unbox this amazing electric toothbrush by Bitvae. This is our third one. So I got one, my wife has one, my daughter has one. My son uses the C2 flosser, and he has the other S2, D2, I think it is. And this one's another one that we're getting for me. Oh, actually, this one's for my son. So this one's for my son here. This is the Smart S2 electric toothbrush with wall-mounted UV cleaning case. This is American Dental Association accepted ultrasonic toothbrush with 8 brush heads, 4-hour charge. Lasts up to, I'm telling you right now, my wife and I, we literally only charge it like once. And it's good for days and weeks and weeks. It's amazing. So let's check this out, shall we? I really, really like this company. I think they just do such a great job. You guys know I'm reviewing products for so long. I love presentation. I love everything. Let's check out the holder first. So this is the HD2 holder that has this sensor that cleans everything. Okay, and these guys really stand behind their products. You get a warranty card that's good for an entire year. I like the way that they have their support information, contact information. If you have any questions, easy to follow manual. Several here. It talks about the app as well, because this is smart technology, which you can use your app to find out what kind of charge it has, and to find out any kind of information, battery life, etc. for your smart device. I love how these companies now, they've all just pretty much followed Apple's lead when it comes to presentation. Here is, okay, so here's the UV holder. This is so cool. Look at that. Here's the UV holder right here. Take a look at that. And so basically what you're going to do is you're going to hang this, okay? And once you plug this in, it's going to actually emit this charge. As a matter of fact, it might already have a charge with it right now. Let me see. Hold on a second here. Oh, you got to plug it in right there. So there's the power adapter. And you get this cool charge. It's a UV cleaning case. So it cleans your electric toothbrush heads through the technology of UV lighting, which I think is just so super cool. So here we have the mounting instrumentation here and the strip that comes with. You can kind of basically do what you need to do. All the mounting stuff there. Okay. Let's look at the actual toothbrush itself. I think the toothbrush comes with a charge. So it's really cool. So this is the toothbrush. Le toothbrush. Yeah, let's take this bad boy out. My hands are so gargantuan. Okay. Oh, check this out. This is cool. Now we're talking. Oh, yeah. Wow, look at this. Such a cool case. This company just does a bang-up job. Just a bang-up job. You have all these different sensors, and you also have all these different levels at which you can kind of use your card. Watch, if I turn this on right now, and it has a little bit of a charge. You see that? It already has a little bit of a charge. So you have clean, you've got white, you also have, let me see if we can see this. So you have your different gum care, smart, charge. So it probably needs to charge. Oh, there it is. So it's buzzing right now. Look at that. Can you hear that? Can you hear the buzzing? Oh yeah, feel that. You can see the buzzing right there. Let's see if we can. Yeah, look how cool that is. It's shaking right now. Yeah, that's really cool. Look how cool that is. I mean, this thing works like a charm. So let me turn that off. And then once I attach a brush head, you'll really be able to see it. So you have your USB cable, all your power cords, etc. there. Let's check out the brush heads. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy mackerel, this is like, it has like 8 heads, 8 brush. This is more than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, wait. It is 8. Look at that. There's 8 brush heads in there. Holy mackerel. Look at all the different brush heads. Look at all the different brush heads. Wowzer, Mauser, Shalauser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 10 in this one. So this might be the 10. So let's just take one of these guys out. And we'll put them on top here. So you can see it's just really easy. Once you click it on there, look at that. Look at that. Boom. Bada boom. Now watch this. I have to charge it, obviously, but look at that. You can hear it. Let's do, yeah, this is so cool. You have your different, oh, it's so cool. Oh, can you hear that? Yes. So cool. They say electric toothbrushes are really, really powerful for cleaning teeth. Oh, I love the sound that makes. And so this is so awesome. Soft, white. So you want to use the app. Obviously, you can change those different gradations. Here's the power button right there. Once I turn this off, you'll hear. So you just hold it down and it turns off. It's phenomenal. You can change brush heads very, very easily. This thing is phenomenal. I love it. I absolutely love this thing. Again, it works like a charm. So highly, highly recommend. You got huge charging that lasts forever. Smart oral care. Again, it's ADA recommended. Prevention of any bleeding and receding gums. You know, when you brush, you're kind of hurting your teeth for the most part. 100-day battery life, customizing your experience to meet your needs. You can do everything with care, different 9 levels. Highly, highly recommend. I absolutely love this thing. This thing is terrific.